In today's video, we're taking the 73 down the chop shop to straight pipe it. And real quick before we get started, I have to plug Halo Lifts. I recently purchased their 2-post 10,000 pound capacity lift, and I love it. They're hands down one of the most affordable lifts on the market right now. They're super easy to use, and they're great to use in a shop like this or even at home. First things first, we had to undo all these rusty ass U-joints and exhaust hangers. That Milwaukee electric ratchet making light work of it. Also unrelated, if you're watching this video with some headphones, I'd take them out. It only gets louder from here. Once I get these off, I should be able to just hit the muffler right off the pipe. Or maybe the rust had other plans. So plan B, undo the pipe from the header. That is unfortunate. Who does that? GM does that. I don't mean to bash General Motors, but come on, a bolt right next to a curve in the exhaust pipe? What are you guys thinking? I know this thing's from 1973, but like, come on. Fuck me. Alright. Stretchy one. At this point, I didn't care if it was going to unscrew itself off or if I was going to snap it off. Yeah, fucking truck. Oh, that washer's gone. Driver's side is just about ready to come off, so we can move on to passenger side. And I don't know if it's the same for other people, but I've been working on this thing for very long, so any little noise that I hear, I have to stop. And then look, just like that. Is this thing going to fall on top of me? Okay, after about an hour trying to beat these freaking mufflers off, came up front to the header, bolted all the header bolts, we go down to the pipe, and it's super loose now, so I'm just gonna take the pipes off that way. With both the exhaust pipes disconnected from the headers, you know what I had to do. I think we can all agree, that sounds freaking terrible. So let's chop shop these mufflers off and return them to the headers. Get the fuck out of the way. Ah, this is fucking... Okay, upon further investigation, this thread is definitely bent down. I think that one looks pretty good. But we need to bend this thread up so that triangular piece can fit back on there. That's pretty good. Where'd those nuts go? Ow, you fuck. The end goal with this truck is not to leave it straight pipe like this. I got some mufflers coming in the mail, so next video we're gonna be putting those on here. But for now, we're gonna bask in the glory of 454 cubic inches of straight brother. you're still wearing those headphones, this is all on you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.